Right. The importance of Halihulu. First of all, I would like to explain the name Halihulu. It's a Jaunda name, the language that was derived from Kalanga to Jaunda. These guys phased out from the West Kalanga and they to move down to the east and settle here. Halihulu means a big pot. Ibodwe elikhulu, but this name refers to this pool. Ibodwe elikhulu, it refers to this pool. Ibodwe elikhulu Halihulu. Now, the effects, the help, the waters in the Halihulu pool are the holy waters, if I may put it in that way. We have some other beliefs, the Hebrews and whatnot, they've got their holy what. This is our sacred pool, the sacred waters, that when one bathes with it, and when one gets these waters with the help of a spirit medium or a true spirit medium of my caliber, if I may put it that way, you use this water as the holy water to actually break, rid of bad stuff, evil, and all that stuff. Now, the pool will always respond. This is the very same pool that when you disobey it, you actually regret yourself or you're taken by surprise. A guy called Mabia is from a certain village called Shoboyo, after Lushongwe village, which is the village where I'm born. This Shoboyo, I've got my great-grands, these Jaunda people, Matuhuani, Chikuni, they are the parents for my grandmother who gave birth to my mom. This Mapia guy was catching fish with some hook. Something just came and it grabbed the hook and the line, just deep in the waters. So now, this guy, Mapia, thought of getting into the water and releasing his hook, which was stuck inside. So he went inside, he dived into the water. This thing, I'll just call it a thing, it took a line, a fish line, and tied his hand like this into the water, down like that. And it went back and it tied the foot, the different foot on the other side. So the man was tied like this in the water. People came there, they found him tied there. And then this thing went to a certain point in rock. It tied the line there so that the man will not come out. Nobody knows what did the thing look like, but the man was found like that. Now, this pool is not capable of doing bad to people, or that is not here for doing bad to people. But people provoke the deities that lives in this pool. So bad things happen with the anger of the spirits. Now, it is not all about this pool. We are here today in this pool to make requests for the things that we want to happen in our life, positive things, to achieve the goals that we have set forth, to promote, to give oomph to the rituals that we do to the people. With this pool, there are good and bad omens.